DIY stickers. Here's what you'll need. Wax paper, paper, scissors, drawing tools, and packing tape. Set out your wax paper, get a piece of packing tape and tape onto the wax paper. This should be the size of the sticker you are creating. On your piece of paper, draw or write what you want your sticker to be. For my sticker, I wanted to add a textured look, so I'm ripping the paper and crumbling it. Once you've written or drawn what you want as your sticker, place it on top of the piece of tape you taped on the wax paper. Then add another layer of tape over it. Now cut around the sticker, creating a border around it. If you cut too close to the sticker, the two pieces of tape will not be able to fasten your sticker in place. After it is cut, your sticker is ready. You can use it immediately or save for later. When making these stickers, I found it hard to peel the wax paper off as there wasn't an edge to separate them. Here's a tip. On a side of the sticker, pretend as if you are ripping it, the wax paper will rip, and not the tape. This will provide an opening for you to remove the wax paper to use your sticker. And that is how you can make your own stickers. Let me know in the comments below if it worked for you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.